Hey everyone, Stancomplect is on air. We are continuing our series of videos about carbide cutters from HG Woodworking Tools, and today we're talking about the CL-08. This is a carbide cutter with 3 coated blades. The 3 blades increases the possible feed rate and improve the clean lines of the cut. The cutter is primarily designed for grooving, but many of our customers use it for finishing cuts. This makes the cutter a versatile solution. Thanks to the high quality of HG Woodworking Tools cutters, you will get a high-quality cutting and grooving. In addition, the CL-08 cutters have a special finishing gritting process, which guarantees high-quality cutting and extend cutter life. The cutters are available in diameters from 4 mm to 12 mm and with cutting heights from 12 to 40 mm. For detailed technical information, price, and availability, please contact our specialists or visit our website. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the new video. See you online!